Hi and welcome to my channel. So today we will understand this lead and lag function. To understand this, we have a data set called IT company sales, and this is about company sales data. And in this we have company ID, company name, year, total sales, and we are also inserting some values using insert query. And this is about Microsoft company, and we have year wise sales. Uh, so let's generate this table. So we have this table now, and in this we have Microsoft company details, and in this we have year wise sales. That is in 2021 how much sale this Microsoft company did, and in 2022 this is the sales made by this Microsoft company, and this is for 2023. And we want to compare uh, 2022 sales with 2021 sales. Similarly, we want to compare uh, 2023 sales with 2022 sales. So to do this, we have to get its previous value. That means if we can get 2021 sales value in 2022 sales value row, then we can compare both year sales, right? If we want to compare 2023 sales with 2022 sales, then by some way we need this 2022 sales in this row. So there is a way to do this, and to achieve this we have a function called lag. So by using lag function we can actually lag previous values for for the next rows. So let's see how we can do this. So suppose we want to lag 2021 value to 2022 row, and similarly this 2022 years total sales to 2023 year row. So we can do this with select star from comma lag of, because we want to lag this total sales value, so we are using total sales. And also we want to lag this value order by this year, so we are using order by year. And this lag function basically takes three parameters. So the first parameter is this value that we want to lag, and the another parameter is how we want this value to be lagged, like what is the offset. For example, if we want to lag 2021 value to 2022 just after its next row, then we use this value as 1. If we want to lag this value for 2023, that means we had an offset of 2, then in that case we use 2 instead of 1. I will also tell you about the third parameter very soon. So first let's look into this, and we are saying order by, and we can name this as previous year sales, and we want this from our IT company sales table. So from IT company sales. So now let's run this and see. Now you can see we have this previous value 2021 total sales in this 2022 column, which is here, and we have 2022 value which is 198,000 reflecting in this third row. Suppose if we want to reflect this value to this third row instead of second, then we can use this as lag of 2. So if you do this instead of second, this value is lagging here. So this is how we can use the lag function. Let me again run with one offset. Now if you can see, for this first row we don't have any prior value to this, so that is why this null is reflecting here. If we want to update this to 0 or something, then we can also do this by passing third parameter. So for example, if we pass 0, that means if we don't have any prior value or prior cell to or prior row to compare, then in that case this 0 will reflect here. So let's run this again. So you can see now we have this 0. So we have one more function which is lead function. So let's use the lead function in this query itself. So we have lead, and instead of previous we can say that next year sales. So the working of this lead function is, So suppose if we want to get the next row value, for example, if we want 2023 value in 2022 column, then we can do this by using this lead function. So let's run this and see the result now. So you can see now we have this next year sales column, and in this we are getting the next row record value. For this 2022 sales, which is 198000, we are getting this value here. And again for this 2023 sales, we are getting this value in its previous cell. So this is how we can use this lead and lag function. So also I want to explain you one more thing. So we can also convert this lag function to a lead function. And the way is, for example, if you can see right now, this order by year is ascending order. Instead of ascending, if we give descending here, and let's run this now, you can see we have same values in previous year sales as well as next year sales. So we can say that we can use the lag function, and by using this DESC, we can make this function to work similar to lead function. And also if we want to make this lead function work like lag function, we can use DESC, which is descending now. So let's run this again. So you can see now we have a lag function and lead function, but these two functions are working differently. Like lag is working like lead function and lead is working like lag function. So this is one important thing. So to understand this lag function and lead functions more, let's insert few more values in this IT company sales table. So in IT company sales table, I am inserting few more values for different companies. So like Apple and Google and Amazon and few more companies. So let's insert these values and let's try to print this table again. So now if you can see, we have a few more companies and we have data of year-wise sales of these companies. And suppose if we want to lag the values company-wise, for this Microsoft company, we want to lag this value in this row, which is for 2022. And this 2022 value, we want to lag this value for 2023. But if you can see the next row we have company as Apple, and we don't have any prior Apple record. So in that case, if we lag this value for the next row, this won't work, right? Because this is the first row that we are getting and we don't have any data for Apple before 2021. So we should have to treat this as the first record. To do this, we can also use partition by. So let's see by example how we can do this. So again, we have select star and we are using lead, or we can use lag, and we want to lag total sales over, and because we want to lag this value by company, so we are using partition by company name and order by year as sales, or we can say previous year sale from this table called IT company sales. And also we want to lag this value by offset 1, and for every first, and if we don't have any prior records, then we want to set this as 0. So let's run this now. So you can see now we are lagging total sales value by each company. For example, this is 2021 record and this is for Amazon, and we have one more record for 2022 and we have another one more record for 2023. Then these three are associated with Amazon company, and we are lagging this value here, we are lagging this value here, and we are not lagging this value here. The reason is because this company is getting changed from Amazon to we are getting now Apple records. So that is why again we have 0 and this value is getting lagged here and this value is getting lagged here. So this is the use of the lag function, and basically these lag functions are very useful when we are writing complex queries. And also interview point of view, these functions are very important because these are asked in many interviews. So going forward, I will be sharing few more concepts related to SQL. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. So thank you.